Wait, what? What up? My system is blasted. Keep it out away, and we'll be lost. Our stay will be stormed. Just go. I got an idea. Go. I gotta destroy his power. I'm gonna defeat him. Go ahead and get rid of this program. Goblin, I got distracted. I'm gonna shoot K-Pig with the war guns. Go ahead and get rid of this program. Go ahead and get rid of the Storms' program. I'm on the lawnmower. I'm on the lawnmower right now. Goblin, go ahead and get rid of this program. I gotta go stop K-Pig from activating the storm. Go ahead and get rid of this program for the storm. Just go ahead and get rid of this program. Okay. I got it. Oh. That was more interesting. That was interesting. Okay. I gotta get on. Of course. I finally used that. Ha! Oh, come on! Come on, car! Man, those bombs are very bumpy! Ha! Okay. Hey, K-Pig! What? I ain't gonna go defeat you! You can't defeat me! I ain't got to activate the storms! Okay! Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna go check on these wires. Maybe I'm gonna go check on these wires. Oh, okay. Oh! That'll work. Oh, this could work. It's got to be in this box. Ah. Oh, that will work. Oh, that will work. Oh! This could work. It's got to be in this box. It's got to be in this box. My crown! It's getting brown. Yeah, those roads are bumpy. Okay. 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 Okay, now I was in the box. Oh man, come out! Oh man, cock them out! I got this! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Ah, the base is getting rusted! Oh! Control, hold, delete, of course! Control, hold, delete. Storm. Entering the storm has been shut off. What? Why did the lawnmower stop activating? Oh, darn it! It's out of gas! Oh, darn it! It's out of gas! You're out of work! Oh, man! I'm gonna rush to you! I'm gonna activate my darkness on you! Hurry, King Pig! I'm gonna defeat you. What? What are you doing? A long time ago! She's talking! Ah! Oh! King Pig was been defeated! But, where'd he go? What? Oh, look! Birds! Chirp. Oh, King Pig was gone for good. Let's deal with that zoning. Oh, looks like King Pickers is gone for good. Looks like King Pickers is gone for good. Let's deal with that zoning. He's gone. I'm gonna miss that guy. Come on, let's get back in the portal. Because it's getting cold out here. Come on, let's get inside. Let's get back to the teleporter. It's getting cold out here. Let's get this one. It's starting to get cold out here. Alright, how many we need? Let's go get in the bathtub with hot water. Do you have bubbles? No. Liar! Okay. Oh, that's no problem. What? What happened? Where am I? The storm. The storm activating timer has been disabled by blip. No, it won't be. It'll do it next time. I mean, no, when you're here, blimp. I know, bolts. The end.